everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you Windows 11 some hidden animation and effects that most users never see. So let's get started. So firstly we are going to start menu, going to settings. Here you will see the accessibility, click on accessibility. Here you will see the second option was visual effects, click on visual effects. Here all the animation effects you can see. Turn on transparency effects and animation effects. Dismiss notification after this amount of time. You can select according to your time. Always show scroll bar when you turn it on. Scroll bar will be shown there always on the screen. This, and when you turn it off, scroll bar will be hide. And you, the next is enable extra hidden animation features. Type Windows plus R. Here you will type REGEDIT, then click on OK. We are into registry editor. Here you will type, firstly we are going to computer, then H key current user, then software, Microsoft, Windows current version, Explorer advanced. Here you will see, scroll down, and this taskbar animations. Click on taskbar animation. If you don't see, you can create it. Value data 1, then OK. This unlocks extra taskbar and Windows animation hidden features by default. So if you want to see this, just restart your PC. Restart PC will show you this animation. Next is smooth window animation. For extra touch, right click start menu, click on system, then scroll down, click on advanced system setting, then performance tab, click on settings. Here you will see animation, animate windows when minimizing and maximize. Check mark it, then apply, then OK, and that's it. When you maximize and minimize, animation will like this. And there you have it, hidden animation and effects fully enabled on Windows 11. Your PC now feels faster, smoother and way more polished. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe and turn on the bell for more Windows hack. Thanks for watching.